video, just doing a real quick video on the, let's see, which one is this one? Yeah, this is the 18-inch wooden spoon. And it is super long. You see how close, you really can't see the depth of it. But just so, let me show you, all the way down here. Pretty cool, huh? So you can be serving from a distance. You see that? You can be able to be stirring. I'm stirring way over here. So it works great with large containers and even for small containers here, you see. Just means that I have a longer arm. So you see how far away it is, and I'll just take it all the way down. See? Pretty far. 18 inches is pretty long, but it's kind of cool and nice to have. So I have my brown rice here. I can easily be able to stir it and not be so close to it because it's, you know, an extension of my arm. And I can easily be able to serve it. And for people who are farther away, I can easily be able to, you know, my hand's right over here. I can easily be able to still serve them. So it works out really great. Thank you so much for watching.